Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep and detailed look at the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air, a modern reimagining of one of America's most beloved classic cars. The Bel Air name carries decades of automotive history, iconic style, and cultural significance, and for 2026, Chevrolet has brought it back with a unique blend of classic charm, modern technology, refined comfort, and performance that honors the past while looking straight into the future. In this review, we'll break down every detail: exterior design, interior experience, performance, technology and safety, pricing, and even a few suggestions to make this modern classic even better. Let's get into it. The very first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is how striking and thoughtfully redesigned it is. Chevrolet has taken cues from the original 50s icon long hood, balanced proportions, and that unmistakable presence and interpreted them with a modern, upscale twist. Up front, the grille is wide and bold, featuring a contemporary take on classic chrome accents that wrap around ultra-slim LED headlights. These headlights feature advanced lighting signatures that pay homage to the old design while offering top-tier illumination and adaptive beam technology for safer night driving. The hood itself is sculpted with clean lines that echo classic muscle and craftsmanship, yet aerodynamic details enhance airflow and help improve efficiency. Subtle chrome trim and elegantly integrated daytime running lights give the front end a luxurious but purposeful look that stands out in a crowd. From the side profile, the 2026 Bel Air has a long, flowing silhouette that's reminiscent of its heritage but with modern proportions. The belt line is clean and refined, and the gently sloping roofline adds a timeless elegance. Large alloy wheels, typically 19 to 21 depending on trim level, fill the wheel arches with authority, and the available two-tone paint options add visual contrast that further highlights the car's classic meets modern design philosophy. At the rear, the LED taillights are sleek yet evocative of the classic Bel Air cluster style, with horizontal elements stretching across the width. A subtle integrated rear spoiler adds a touch of sportiness without overpowering the refined design. The rear bumper is sculpted and integrates dual chrome exhaust outlets, a nod to performance, while retaining the clean, graceful lines that make this car feel more like a luxury grand tourer. Stepping inside the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air, you immediately feel a connection between classic heritage and modern luxury. The interior uses premium materials throughout: soft touch leathers with contrast stitching, brushed aluminum accents, and elegant wood or piano black trim options that enhance the upscale feel. The seating surfaces are plush and supportive, ideal for long journeys as well as daily driving. Heated and ventilated front seats are available, and on higher trims you'll find massage functions that make every drive feel refined and comfortable. The dashboard layout is thoughtfully designed with driver-centric ergonomics. A large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, handling navigation, audio, connected apps, vehicle settings, and more. Chevrolet's latest infotainment platform is intuitive and responsive, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support standard, making smartphone integration seamless for maps, music, and messaging. Physical knobs for climate and volume controls are placed in easy reach, striking a fine balance between modern tech and practical USABILITY. In front of the driver, a fully digital instrument cluster provides crisp, customizable information. Drivers can configure what they see: speed, navigation cues, range and efficiency data, performance readouts, and even heritage-inspired themes that pay tribute to past Bel Air models. A premium heads-up display is available, projecting essential info directly into your line of sight for minimal distraction. Rear passengers are treated to generous space, thanks to the Bel Air's long wheelbase and thoughtful packaging. Legroom and headroom are plentiful, and the rear bench is comfortable for adults on longer trips. Rear climate vents, USB-C charging ports, and storage pockets add convenience, while available rear seat entertainment enhances long-distance comfort and connectivity. Now let's talk performance, an important part of making this classic nameplate feel relevant for the modern era. The 2026 Bel Air offers multiple powertrain configurations to suit a range of driving tastes. Turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid designed for balanced performance and efficiency. This setup blends a gasoline engine with electric assist for strong low-end torque and excellent fuel economy. It's ideal for everyday commuting as well as relaxed road cruising. Available V6 or V8 powertrains for those who want classic American power. These engines deliver robust horsepower and torque with smooth, confident acceleration. The V8, especially, provides that signature muscle car feel with satisfying throttle response and a rich exhaust note. Performance hybrid variant, optional. In higher trims or sport packages, a hybrid with electric torque assist gives brisk acceleration and responsive throttle feel, making the Bel Air as fun to drive as it is elegant to look at. All powertrains are paired with advanced automatic transmissions that shift smoothly and intelligently based on driving conditions. Whether you're cruising a coastal highway or navigating city streets, the Bel Air delivers confident, composed performance that feels refined and effortless. Handling and ride comfort are both impressive for a car of this character. The suspension is tuned to balance comfort with controlled dynamics, absorbing road imperfections without feeling floaty, while maintaining strong body control through corners. Steering is precise and communicative, giving drivers a confident feel of the road surface and conditions ahead. Braking performance is strong and reassuring thanks to ventilated discs and advanced brake assist systems. When it comes to technology and safety, Chevrolet equips the 2026 Bel Air with a comprehensive suite of systems designed to improve confidence and reduce driver fatigue. Standard and available features typically include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, helpful for highway driving and traffic. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection adds an extra layer of safety in busy environments. Lane keeping assist and road edge detection helps keep the vehicle centered and on course. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, especially useful in urban and highway lane changes. Traffic sign recognition and speed limit assist keeps you informed on changing limits. 360-degree parking camera with rear cross-traffic braking, great for tight spaces or urban driving. Infotainment and connected technology are top-notch. Wireless smartphone integration, built-in navigation with real-time traffic updates, multiple USB-C ports, premium audio system options, Bluetooth connectivity, and Wi-Fi hotspot support make the cabin a modern and enjoyable space. Over-the-air software updates help keep the system current without frequent dealership visits. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air sits in the premium sedan category with competitive value. Base trims offer strong standard features, balanced performance, and modern tech at an attractive point. Mid-range trims bring more comfort and convenience, larger screens, heated, ventilated seating, premium audio, and advanced safety options. Top trims push into near-luxury territory with leather and suede upholstery, panoramic sunroofs, adaptive suspensions, and exclusive paint and trim details, even at higher price points. The Bel Air delivers strong value through its unique blend of design, heritage, performance, and modern amenities. If there are a few areas where the Bel Air could improve, a few suggestions come to mind. First, offering even more interior personalization options, unique upholstery themes, contrast trim pieces, and ambient lighting presets would let buyers tailor the cabin more precisely to their tastes. Second, an optional adaptive air suspension package that lets you fine-tune ride and handling preferences would broaden its appeal among enthusiasts. Third, integrating more advanced augmented reality head-up display choices with navigation and performance readouts projected directly onto the windshield would elevate the tech experience even further. Even with those suggestions, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air stands out as a thoughtful and captivating blend of classic American style and modern automotive excellence. It honors the spirit of the original while delivering comfort, technology, performance, and safety that make it relevant for today's drivers. Whether you're cruising backroads, heading out on a road trip, or enjoying city life in style, the Bel Air delivers character and confidence in every mile. Thanks for watching this full detailed review of the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air. If you enjoyed this in-depth breakdown and want more reviews of modern classics, performance sedans, and automotive innovation, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay inspired.